All right, we're back to task 8. And for task 8 today, we are going to be creating docs from Drive. So I'm going to show you how you can create documents or forms or anything that Google has to offer straight from the Drive. Now, it's very important to do this. So first, you're going to pick which folder you want to put this in. That's very important, especially if you're a very organized person. And as you've learned from other tasks, I'm not that person. So I usually always mess it up. But this is very important. This is a very important step to find out where you want your documents to go first before we create something new. So if you say I wanted to create something new for my student council folder. All right, so I'm going to click in there. And right now I have this folder we created in previous task. And say I wanted to maybe create a document, a Google Doc with information going home to parents at the beginning of the year about what student council is. So I would click Docs, click the arrow, and you can either do blank document or from a template. So I'm going to say blank document. And I'm just going to call this welcome letter. Student council. Okay, and then as you can see, it's saving now to my Drive. It's saving to the cloud. So that's how I would create it within the folder that it's in. And I'm not going to get into Docs quite yet because that's not the module that we're in. So this is basically just a simple way to show you how to create a document within a folder to keep yourself organized. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. And you'll see that this is now inside of my student council folder in the files. So if I didn't go into the folder I wanted it to, it would be down here with all these other things that are unorganized and need to be placed somewhere. So it is a very good habit to do is when you're ready to create something, go ahead and put it in the folder that you want it to be in. Now we were talking about docs, but like I had mentioned, there's much more that you can do. You can do docs, sheets, slides, forms. Click here for more. These are all the different things. If you wanted more apps, you can click here and add those if you like. But all of you will have most of these. A couple of them I've added myself. But you will have access to these and can add those directly to specific folders. So now what I want you to do is go back into your Google Drive and open up a folder that you want to create something new from, or just simply create something new in. So I want you to do that, and you can get practice of creating new documents, new slides, new forms, straight from Google Drive.